Good morning children. Welcome back to Social Studies tutorial. I hope you all are well at home. So in today's session we are going to learn about the four seasons. Students, as while learning about the motion of the earth, rotation and revolution, in rotation we have learned that just because of the rotation there are the effect of day as well as night. But when the earth revolve around the sun, so there are the seasons, four seasons, that is summer, winter, autumn, spring as well. So how it is? It is just because of the approaching sun rays. So just we can understand it's better with the help of that, because I hope you have understood, you have heard about the solstice and the equinox. The concept is, so today we are going to learn about this session. As the diagram, you can see that on 21st March there is the northern spring equinox, because the sun is overhead at the equator at 0 degree. Its radiation is evenly spread in the northern and south. Then on 21st June there is summer solstice, because the sun over Tropic of Cancer. So summer in northern hemisphere, while it is just opposite in the southern hemisphere, because there is winters. Then on 23rd September there is northern autumn equinox, because the sun is overhead at the equator. So there is autumn begins in northern hemisphere. Then the northern winter solstice, that is on 22nd December, that the sun over Tropic of Capricorn. Summer in southern hemisphere and winter in northern hemisphere. So what happens? This is the only effect. Students, you can easily think over it that Australia, if we talk about Australia, then Australia celebrates their Christmas, though it falls on the same day as 25th December. So just because of that winter solstice, the people of Australia celebrates their Christmas during summers, whereas in our country we celebrate Christmas on 21st December in winters. There is peak winters. So students, what I told you, that in Australia, in there is in summer in southern hemisphere, what happens, there is the extreme summers that time. So the people of Australia celebrates their Christmas, though it falls on the same day, that is 25th December. Fine. So they celebrate their Christmas during summer seasons, whereas if we talk about there in there is what in our country there is extreme winter, so we celebrate Christmas during winter seasons, though these falls on the same day, but this is just because of the revolution of the earth. So there are the elliptical orbit, as I taught you earlier, that the fixed path just through which the earth spins around the sun, that is called orbit. So there is elliptical orbit, that is inclined, because of which there are the seasons. So just because of the seasonal effect, there are the summer solstice and winter solstice. So what the summer solstice is, that the summer in the northern hemisphere, then the north pole is inclined towards the sun, and then Tropic of Cancer receives the direct sun rays. Just as a result, what happens, that the 21st June is longest day and the shortest night. On the opposite, what happens, that in winter solstice, Tropic of Cancer receives the direct sun rays and south pole is tilted towards the sun. So 22nd December is the longest day and shortest night there. Now let's understand the concept of equinoxes. Students, that means here we are talking about the equal days and equal nights. So what the equinox is, when the direct rays of the sun falls on the equator. So neither of the pole tilted towards the sun. Because of this, there are the equal days and nights. Means the whole earth experiences equal days and equal nights. So these are known as the equinoxes. Then on 23rd September there is autumn equinox, whereas on March 21 it is known as the vernal or spring equinoxes. Therefore the length of day and night is equal all over the world. So students, to sum up, we can say that the earth moves or the motions of the earth are of two types, rotation and revolution. Rotation results in days and night, whereas revolution just results in the four seasons. So there are the positions of equinox. We have also learnt about the autumn, winter solstice and the summer solstice. I hope you enjoyed the session. Your chapter is completed today. We'll start the next chapter in our next class. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.